Toodledo is a productivity and time management tool that promises to help you stay organized and boost your efficiency. But before you decide to buy, there are 12 things you need to know about it, especially when comparing it to other similar tools on the market. Let's dive into them. Next thing to consider is its unique task management system. Toodledo offers flexible task lists, allowing you to categorize tasks by priority, due date, and more. But unlike competitors like Todoist, Toodledo can feel a bit more complex. Some users may find it harder to navigate at first, but if you prefer customization, it can be a solid choice. The third thing is its goals feature. Toodledo allows you to set long-term goals and track progress, which is more advanced than many basic task managers. However, the interface can be a bit clunky compared to something like Trello, where visuals are front and center. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the focus on notes. Toodledo offers a simple way to take and organize notes, but it doesn't have the robust features found in Evernote or OneNote. If note-taking is essential for you, this might not be your go-to solution. Another thing is the search functionality. Toodledo has a solid search feature, but it's not as intuitive or quick as the one in Asana. If you need to quickly filter through large amounts of tasks or notes, this might slow you down a bit. The sixth thing is its mobile app. While Toodledo's mobile version has a lot of features, some users report it's not as user-friendly as others, like Google Keep or Microsoft To Do. This could be a deal breaker if you're someone who needs to access tasks on the go. Next, let's talk about integrations. Toodledo offers integration with Google Calendar and other services, but it's not as extensive as what you'll find with competitors like ClickUp or Notion. If connecting with other tools is important, you might find it lacking. The eighth thing is its pricing. Toodledo offers a free version, but its premium options are not as cost-effective compared to others like ClickUp or Notion, especially when you're considering the value you get for the price. So, if budget is a concern, there are more affordable options available. Next, Toodledo doesn't have native time tracking. This might be a deal breaker for those who need to track how long they spend on specific tasks, as competitors like Toggle or Clockify provide this feature natively. The 10th thing to consider is the lack of project management features. Unlike tools like Trello or Asana, which allow for detailed project management workflows, Toodledo is more task-oriented, which might not suit teams or people managing complex projects. Now, Toodledo does allow for collaboration, but it's not as smooth as what you get with other apps. If you're looking for a tool that promotes easy team collaboration, you might find tools like Monday.com or Wrike more effective. The 12th thing is its learning curve. For someone who's new to productivity tools, getting used to Toodledo's multiple features and interface can take some time. If you're after something simpler, tools like Todoist or Google Keep might be a better fit. In conclusion, Toodledo is a solid productivity tool with a lot of customization options, but its interface, mobile app, and pricing may not make it the best choice for everyone. If you want to try something that's more user-friendly and offers more features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.